Cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin recovery? Do you want to know the last information about the crypto world? Smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max with Rodrigo Arnedo. And we can see that after Friday, we had a nice weekend and we went all the way up to 63,000, almost 64,000. And we are in the range of these two yellow lines. So we might say that maybe we are going higher, but you can see how we have this week is thick and we're not sure if we're going to have a good week or not. The market is in neutral right now and we are all the time just like it's so over, we're back, we're so back, it's so over, and so on and so forth. It seems that we had to blow the cartridge of our video game console, and maybe then we're going to have that October. But if we go to the weekly chart, you can see we had a red one, we have a bad week and a good flim candle, and this usually, as you can see, means a trend when we change the trajectory we were having, so we should go down, maybe even to this moving average as here and here to the $54,000. We have all possibilities still out there. We're gonna tell you about them. Remember, if we go to the touch of the line again, we will close the gap in the CME futures. I talk about this so often, but because it's true, it's there still. Remember also I told you in previous videos that we might need to wait for 2 months till we have the next bull run for Bitcoin. November the 28th might be the date. And you have the last video telling you everything about that. And you have 1 year ago video when we told you exactly what might happen. Watch all of them. Also in previous video I told you about 2015, and it seems that we are not following right now the movement we had there, which would be awesome for the weekly and the monthly. But bad news, good news all the time. The bad ones, dollar keeps on going higher, and in the good side of the news, we have that we are not following the path that we were scared of, like going flat and then down. Comparing the situation with the moving average we have right here, it seems that we are going higher and we are back on track with 2023. So that would be awesome. But again, we have to wait to next crypto news to see what's going on. In the stock market on Friday, we had good things in the United States and gold is rising today, but not Bitcoin. Why? We are following Japan's stock market going down. October still in the green, and remember all we told you about that. And here Crypto Robin for the optimism, telling us that we might be broken the bull flag that gold just broke. So we'll see if that's true for Bitcoin. Here we have Grandpa Simpson telling us the story, and that's when October started and gave us the craziest bull run in history. We want October to be true. And Jay here also for the optimism, telling us that Bitcoin typically bottoms 3-4 days into October. From the bottom to the end of October, Bitcoin is up 32%, 36% if you exclude Octobers that have negative return. We tagged 59,800K on October after a sell-off. So if we return 30% on that 59K, we'll be ending this month at $78,000. Amazing. That would mean to be in the all-time highs for Bitcoin, having an October green, as we told you in previous videos. Watch them all. And today here, the chart that nobody is going to share with you because it takes a lot of doing it, is all Octobers since 2016. You can see here, and how it's true that the tendency of those Octobers is always good. It's always going higher. Well, you can see 2019 wasn't that good, but in the end it was. 2018, it wasn't very, very good one. But you can see the trend going up and going higher as the month progresses. So we are not doing 2021, which was crazy, but it seems that we are following the orange one, 2020, which is okay. We might end in the 69,000, why not? Or maybe even 2017, we might end in the $90,000. We'll see. We will delete, erase all the colors that we are not following in next crypto news. But we still have good news out there. Like, for example, the Bitcoin Golden Cross with the 50 and the 200 weekly. And it's going to happen. In the past, that meant going higher, higher, and higher eventually. Also, just consider that year-to-date returns, Bitcoin is just the best asset out there with 49.2%, better than utilities, silver, gold, and Nasdaq Composite, or whatever you want to compare it to. Bitcoin is the best. The best is this piece of information. The UAE eliminates value-added tax on Bitcoin and crypto transfers. UAE leads the way for Bitcoin. No capital gains tax, no tax Bitcoin transactions, and Bitcoin salaries approved in Dubai. So we might be having to move to Dubai, Arab Emirates, because they are so ahead of us. And coming also from foreign lands, trillions flowing to China's stocks. Bitcoin is set for a comeback. The idea here is that maybe right now investors are even selling Bitcoin for buying some Chinese stock, as those are booming right now. But once this is over, they will sell and come back into Bitcoin and we'll have our moment. Hopefully so. Remember that if we compare the situation right now with 2020, whales were buying before the explosion in price. And right now it seems that the whales are buying too like crazy. And we have very important people trolling out there about cryptocurrencies. Elon Musk asking your vote in United States. And because of that, maybe in this rally with Donald Trump, well, the meme coins going up. Popcat, Bonk, Pepe, WIF, even Doge going up. Remember, you can follow all this market with our partners on dextools.io. You have the link in the description below. Ethereum is still on track, going up. We'll see about that. Even though we have the Ethereum Bitcoin pair, that scares us. I told you about in previous videos. Watch them all. And right now, just a sec reminder for those Treasure price cuts. If you want to buy Treasure Model 1 or Treasure Model T with the best cold wallet out there, we have a lot of videos in the channel, tutorials about it. Do not miss that out, and do not miss the 10% discount you have with Coin Tracking, the best portfolio tracker. Those are our partners, and those are the reminders for today. As that tomorrow we're going to have on HBO the Money Electric, the Bitcoin Mystery, a documentary telling you about Satoshi Nakamoto and who might be. We will watch it, of course. And now, just saying goodbye with these guys that remind us how happy we're going to be when eventually Bitcoin gets to 100K. Is that possible? It's impossible. I believe there's a true possibility that eventually we'll be there and we'll be dancing just like these people. Why not? And right now, maybe you're exhausted because all of this information we just share here. But we are researching already because we keep on learning, of course, just like this cat, even though we might get exhausted eventually, we keep on learning with artificial intelligence channel, the other one we have. We are so close to 100 videos. Have you watched them already? No? Then you have to go there and watch them all. Tomorrow you have a new video. And of course, if you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies, about Bitcoin, and become an individual sovereign, then you have to watch Crypto News here with Rodrigo Arnedo, fun on the ride, health, money, love, pouring peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon! There you go, a long one today.